So I'm recording this session. I will give you the recording later on today. Okay, guys, my network, I have slow network today. So as I was saying that we have 3 sessions per week, so you are obliged to attend at least 1 session per week, and then we have and then after each and every practical, you are supposed to submit before Friday 5 p.m. So even if you attend on Wednesday or Thursday or Friday, but the due date for submission for the practical is 5 o'clock each and every Wednesday. I mean each and every Friday. So you must keep in mind when you choose Friday to attend your practical. So you must keep in mind that you should finish everything by Friday. And then we also have some practical tests. So after each and every practical, we have practical test. Let me. So today we'll have practical 1A and practical 1B. And then next week will be practical 2, it's 2A and 2B. And then on that week, we'll have the first practical test. So in ICC, in total, we have 5 practical tests. So this is the scope for the first practical test. Everything that we are going to cover today and next week will be on your practical test. And then if you see, I'll provide you, I'll give you this document via WhatsApp. And then if you can see that this is the first practical 1, we take 20% of practical 1. And we also take 20% of practical 2, and then 40% of practical of the first practical test. So I hope that you will understand this document. And then for practical 4, we will be dealing with Microsoft Word 2016. So practical 4 and practical 5 will be about Microsoft Word 2016, and there will be 1 practical test. So practical 4. Can we please mute our mics? Thank you. So for practical 4, we will take 10%, practical 5, we take 30%, and then for the second practical test, we take 60%. So I will give you this document, and then you'll go through it. Then in total, we have 13 practicals, and then we will have 5 practical tests. So I will give you this document, and then we haven't decided on what we are going to cover on practical from practical 7 onwards. But you can see the topics that we are going to cover for this practical. So for this practical, these are the topics that we are going to cover up to here. And then let me just send you something on WhatsApp before we continue. And then there's a document that I'm sending now on WhatsApp that has all the instructions for the practical. So the document I've sent now on WhatsApp have all the instructions for this practical. Let me also open the document so that you can see it. So this is the you have practical manuals for ICC. So the practical manuals, they have all the detailed instructions, and they also have the previous practical test questions. And then we are printing the practical manual for 50 Rand. So if you want the practical manual, you come to my office and then you register your name. And then I give out the practical manuals on Tuesdays. So if you come, let's say on Monday, you will get your practical manual Tuesday. And also there are consultation times that you should take note of. The consultation times are from Tuesday, from 12 p.m. on Tuesday up until 4 p.m. on Tuesday. So if you want something and you want to come to my office, just let me know before you come, and then I'll be there in my office. But if you have other problems, maybe that are related to the practical, you can also send a message on WhatsApp. You can use the WhatsApp group. You can also send me a private message. I do not mind, as long as you are not going to call me with video calls and WhatsApp calls. So I always respond to your WhatsApp messages. So are there any questions? If we do not have any questions, I would like us to begin with the practical. There's a document that I've sent. There's a document that I've sent on WhatsApp. So this is the same document that I am sharing with you right now. So the things to take note of: you need your own computer that is connected to the internet for all the ICC practicals, because this is a computer-related practical, so you will need your own computer. But I understand that not every one of you have a computer, so you can share one PC. I do not have a problem even if you can do the practical in groups, maybe in groups of 5. But as long as you are going to submit your own individual work, you can share your computers, but as long as you are going to submit your own individual work. And you should also take note that during practical test, we do not allow anyone to share with anyone the computer. So there are no discussions and there are no group works in practical tests. I will only allow it during the normal practical. So you also need the practical manual, as I have explained. We are printing the practical manual for 50 Rand. You have to come and register your name, and then you collect it on Tuesday and Wednesday next week. You also need to attend at least one practical session per week. So you choose the day you are free. It's either Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, and you should attend at least one. So the submission due date for every practical per week is Friday at 5 p.m. So make sure that at Friday 5 p.m. you have submitted by that time. So let us skip this one. I'll explain it later as we are moving on with our practical. So these are the instructions for the practical, starting from number 1 up to number 13. This is a very interesting practical. I believe that you are going to enjoy it. But I want to emphasize this part first before we continue, because it is a very important part, because our practicals are hosted on LBBS Learn platform. We use this platform for almost all our practicals. So you need to know how to register on this platform. So I'll take you through these instructions. So the first instruction, it says open the internet browser and type LBBS Learn. We all know what is an internet browser is. Let me just keep this screen open. So this is the first, on your left, these are the instructions, and then this is your browser. So it says you should type lbbslearn.co.za. Do not search this name, but just type it on the address bar on your browser. And then that is instruction number 1. And then instruction number 2, it says you should click on courses, as you can see on this diagram. And then you click on courses. Let's just wait for it to load. As I have said, my internet is very slow today, so just bear with me. So now we go to instruction number 3. Instruction number 3 says select building and operational PC. So you should select this course. This is our practical. So you scroll down. So this is the practical. So you select this one. Do not select any of these, but you select these ones. You can see that the practical is 500, but do not mind about this one. There's nothing that you are going to pay. This is done so that other people from other institutions cannot access it. So here, operational PC. Click and wait for it. Okay, guys, if you have questions, because I want to see if you raise your hands because I'm focusing on this screen. So if you have questions, just unmute your mic and ask the question. So do not wait for me to finish, just ask the question. So we are done with number 3, selecting the course. So you can see that it is selected. So let us go to instruction 4. Instruction 4 says click. Yeah.
Can you please go back to the bullet number 1 because my PC is slow. I haven't even typed that LP. What?
Bullet number 1 or bullet number 1, this one, or instruction number 1, this one.
One.
Eh?
Yes, I want to type with my cell PBS.
Okay, Jonga, listen. I have sent this document to WhatsApp, to our WhatsApp group. You will also get this document on WhatsApp. Yeah. And if you have missed something, I will also upload this video on YouTube and I will give you the link so you can watch it again.
Okay.
Okay. So we're on number 4. Number 4 says click add to cart. So you click this button. And then we wait for it. It is still loading, that's why I'm quiet. So we are done with the number 4. And then on number 5, it says click on the link. Click on the link as seen on the image below. So which link do we click? So we go to this image. So we click here. It says click here to enter your coupon, to enter your code. So you can see even on the website, we have this link. So you click here to enter your code. So you can enter the coupon code. So if you scroll up to this document, I have talked about this week coupon. So each and every week, there's a coupon code that I will give you for that specific practical. So you have to use that coupon code. So you have to type this coupon code. So you type this coupon code here, as you can see on instruction number 6. The coupon code is BAOP21. So all capital letters, and then you apply the coupon code, as you can see here on this picture. And then instruction number 7, fill the form and enter your details. So from here, you just enter your details. You enter your name, enter your surname. You can skip this one, and then you enter your address. You enter your town. You select the province from. And the postal code, the cell number, the email address you can use, it's up to you. You can use your Forte email address. You can use your Gmail address. It's up to you, but I suggest that you use the email address you can access. So if you are not able to access your emails from Forte, you can use Gmail. It's up to you. It's completely up to you. And then you will notice here that your order is 500. Then because we have used the coupon code that I've given you, so there's no money that you are going to pay. So if it says 500 here under total, then that means you did not enter the correct coupon code. So you must make sure that it says 0 here. And then when you are done, according to instruction number 8, click place order. And then place order. And then you will see this screen that confirms that your order has been received. And then you go to number 9, instruction number 9, it says click on courses. And then you click on courses again. And then you select this course for the second time. If you notice here on top, you will see that you have these, whereby you have these social media links. You can see that you will have this icon and then this icon. So this icon just tells you that you are logged in now. So if you do not see this icon, that means you should log in. So if you want to know your login details, you can just go to the email address you have entered and then you'll see your password. And then we are done with instruction number 10 and instruction number 11. Now we are on instruction, we are on instruction number 11. It says now we must click continue to begin with the practical. So you click on continue. Let me just maximize this. So you click on continue, and as you can see that this is your complete practical one. So this is your practical one, as you can see it. So you watch all these videos and watch the instructions. So there are other instructions that you are supposed to follow. So you watch each and every video by clicking here. I'm sure you are familiar with this. And then that is the beginning of your practical. So these are the things that you are supposed to do according to the practical. And then after you have watched each and every video, you make sure that you click complete. After you have watched the video, make sure that you have clicked complete, because what is happening here on ICC, because this platform will also assess you. So if you do not click complete, it can happen that you can fail the practical, because the system will take it as if you did not watch the videos. So make sure that you click complete. So that was the introduction of the practical. And then the second video is about the desktop components. So you need to watch these videos and identify all the desktop components. So you'll follow all these instructions. In total, there are about 15 videos on this practical. So you will be required to do everything that you see here. For example, you are going to build the PC. So you have to follow all the instructions so that you'll be able to answer your practical question. At the end of this practical, there are questions that you are supposed to answer. Let me just take you through. So there are questions. The total time for that practical quiz is 12 minutes. The passing grade is 80%, and then in total there are 8 questions. So make sure that you are prepared before you can start and answering these questions. because you only have 2 chances to answer the questions. So if you start and fail, you have the second chance to redo all the questions. So make sure that you are prepared before you start answering the questions. And take note of the time, it's 12 minutes, and then the passing grade is 80%. Do we have any other questions? Ukhona umuntu onemibuzo? Okay, guys,
Okay,
if you do not have any questions. Yeah, I'm listening.
I didn't catch you on instruction number 5. Must I write my name there on the details, or must I click enter the code coupon?
On instruction number 5, you start with the coupon code. So you start and enter your coupon code, and then click apply coupon code, just like this. As you can see on this image, you click here to enter the coupon code, and then you type your coupon code. Then after, you can enter your details, your names, your emails, and so on.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Is it clear? Do you understand now?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. So guys, if we do not have any other questions, you can begin with your practical. It's up to you if you will start doing the practical now, or you'll start maybe later today, or will start tomorrow. But keep in mind that on Friday by 5 p.m., you should have answered all the questions, all the 8 questions. The practical is easy, as I have said, but maybe it will take some time for you to watch all the videos. And since maybe some of you is the first time they are dealing with computer components, maybe you'll have some challenges there. So I suggest that you start early, and then if you have any questions at any time, I'm able to answer your WhatsApp messages. I do not mind even you send your WhatsApp messages at 9. As long as I'm not sleeping, I'll be able to answer your WhatsApp messages.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
How can we register for the manuals? You came to your office or via WhatsApp?
Yeah, you should come. You should come to my office, but I'm not in campus this week. You should come to my office starting from Monday.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, starting from Monday. But since you do not have all the practical manuals this week, because it's the first time that we are meeting, I'm just going to send you the extract of practical 1. I won't send you the whole manual, but I'll just send you the extract for practical 1 on WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Before I log off, let me just send this.
Sorry, Sam.
Yeah.
With regards to address, do we use the school address or our own address, like our own personal address?
You can use the school address. It's up to you. You can use the school address or you can use your home address. It's up to you, as long as it is a valid address.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay. I just want to send this practical. Okay, I'll send it later. I do not see it from my computer, but I'll send it later, the extract of the practical manual. Yeah. Guys, thank you for attending. I will upload this recording to YouTube, and I'll give you the link today. Thank you very much for attending. If you do not have any other questions, then I will log off now. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Sorry, sir. I have a question.
Okay, it's Zanayo.
Okay, I'm interested. I want to know, once I log into this, and what I have a question. Once I log into this video, that means that I must carry on. I can log in once and then I answer the quiz. I cannot
Okay,
just watch.
Okay, once you log in, you let's say maybe you have an hour to work with your practical. You can watch 2 videos at a time. You can watch only 1 video at a time. It's up to you, as long you are not going to log off. So ungaqala practical namhlanje ubukele
Okay,
videos ungazigqibi uphinde usenze nangomso njalo njalo. Yabona, it's up to you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, meneer bengicela i-link usifakele kwi-emails, sir.
I-link ka-MS Teams.
Yes, sir. Nalena ye-YouTube,
Okay.
zonke i-link zibe khona nakwi-emails then naku-WhatsApp, yes, sir.
Akusokolisa.
Engxaki ziyasokolisa pha ku-WhatsApp iifowuni zethu sebendisotilile.
Okay, no, I'll do that. I'll send on WhatsApp and also on emails.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So if it happens, there's one thing that I didn't tell you. So if it happens that you log off from this LBBS LAN, you won't see this icon. This icon is for logging off. Let me just log off. Okay, it's taking.
Can you please repeat, sir?
No, I was saying that if it happens that you log off from this LBBS LAN platform, so I was logging off, so I was waiting for it to load. So if it happens that you log off, you won't see that icon. As you can see now that you do not see that icon. So this means that you are not logged in. Ne? So it means that you are not logged in. So if it happens that you get logged off and you want to continue with your practical, so you can come and click this icon to log in again. You click this icon, and then you enter the email address you have used to register, and then the password. So if you want to know the password, just go to your emails. Once you have added this course, it will send you the password. So just go to your emails and enter the password and log in again. Did you get that, ne?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, we are done for today. If you didn't understand anything, you can ask, as I have said on WhatsApp. I think we are done for today. Thank you again for attending this session.
One last question, Minister. I'm not sure whether I heard properly. You say if I watch the first video, can I log out and then log in again tomorrow, or I have to log in once?
No, you can log out, or you can just, you can log out, and then before if you want to continue, you have to log in again, or you just close the platform, even if you didn't log out, just like you. So sometimes you do not log out on Facebook, so that when you come back, you still logged in.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm out, okay, guys, for real this time.